Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the tire mistakes that could turn your sweet ride into a roadside disaster. And trust me, I've seen some horror stories that'll make your mechanic cry. Remember my last video, tire shredding? Well, this is the ultimate follow-up that could literally save your life and your bank account. Mistake number 1, the tire age time bomb. Most people think new looking means good to go. Big mistake. Those rubber compounds are like ticking time bombs. The DOT code is your secret weapon. Those last 4 digits, they're telling you when your tires are ready to betray you. Pro tip, if your tires are over 6 years old, they're living on borrowed time. 10 years, you're basically driving on potential explosives. I've seen tires fail at the worst possible moments, and trust me, you do not want to be that guy stranded on the highway. Mistake number 2, rotation, more like rotation fail. Your tires wear differently. Front tires, rear tires, they're not created equal. Skipping rotations is like paying extra to destroy your tires faster. Every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, rotate those bad boys. One customer of mine learned this the hard way. 2 brand new tires instead of getting another 15,000 miles out of a full set. Don't be that guy. Mistake number 3, the portable inflator lifesaver spare tire. Roadside assistance, cool story. But a portable inflator? That's your real get out of jail free card. Changing a tire on the side of the road is a nightmare. Dangerous, dirty. But with a good inflator, you're back on the road in minutes. Mistake number 4, alignment equals your tire's best friend. Your car isn't a shopping cart. If it's pulling to one side, you've got an alignment issue. Uneven wear, off-center steering, get it checked. A proper alignment can double your tire life. That's not just maintenance. That's money in your pocket. Mistake number 5, tire pressure, the silent killer. 1 PSI lost per month. Sounds small? It's huge. Underinflated? Poor fuel economy. Overinflated? Terrible traction. Get a real tire pressure gauge, not some dollar store special. Check it monthly, especially before long trips. Mistake number 6, overloading equals tire suicide. Every tire has a maximum load rating. Exceed it and you're playing Russian roulette with your safety. Passengers, cargo, trailers, it all adds up. Check your owner's manual. Know your limits. Mistake number 7, speed rating. It's not just about speed. That little letter on your tire isn't a bonus. It's a safety rating. It's about heat resistance, handling, your entire driving experience. Go below the recommended rating, you're compromising your entire vehicle's performance. These aren't just tips. They're the difference between a smooth ride and a total disaster. Want to keep your ride running like a dream? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your worst tire disaster story, and remember, in the world of cars, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival. Catch you on the next ride.